What critical life insurance clauses should you understand? Have you ever wondered what key clauses in your life insurance policy could affect your coverage? Understanding these clauses is essential for managing your policy effectively. Let's break down some critical clauses that you should be aware of. First up is the suicide clause. This clause states that if the insured commits suicide within the first 2 years of the policy, the insurer will not pay the death benefit. However, after this initial period, suicide is generally covered. Next, we have the Incontestability Clause. After your policy has been active for 2 years, the insurer cannot cancel it or deny a claim based on any misstatements or fraud in your application. This clause protects you from having your policy invalidated after a certain time. Another important clause is the Misstatement of Age Clause. If your age was recorded incorrectly when you applied, your policy remains valid. However, the death benefit amount will be adjusted based on the correct premium for your actual age. Let's talk about the Reinstatement Clause. If your policy lapses due to missed premium payments, you usually have a limited time frame, often up to 3 years, to apply for reinstatement. This process typically requires proof that you are still insurable. The grace period is another key aspect. This clause gives you a set period, commonly between 28 to 31 days after a premium due date. During this time, your policy remains active, even if you have not paid the premium. If the insured dies during this grace period, the death benefit is still paid, but any owed premium may be deducted. Now, let's discuss the Beneficiary Clause. This allows you to designate who will receive the death benefit when the insured passes away. It may also include provisions like the Survivorship Clause, which can delay payment until the beneficiary survives for a specified period after the insured's death. The Spendthrift Clause is also worth noting. This clause protects the death benefit from being seized by creditors of the beneficiary, but it typically applies only if the policy owner has chosen specific settlement options before death. Additionally, there are aviation and war limitation clauses. These clauses limit or exclude coverage for death resulting from specific high-risk activities, such as flying as a student pilot or death related to war. The exact terms can vary by policy. Lastly, consider the critical illness and chronic illness riders. These optional add-ons allow the insured to access part of the death benefit while still alive if diagnosed with certain critical illnesses or chronic conditions that impair daily living activities. These riders can provide financial support during serious health challenges. Understanding these clauses helps you manage your life insurance effectively. It ensures you know when benefits will be paid, how exclusions work, and what conditions might affect your coverage. Reviewing these clauses carefully within your policy document is essential for informed policy management.